Good evening, and thank you for being on the call with us today. My name is Brandon Dorr, and my partner here is Trevor Flick. After reviewing the documents provided, we would like to request a few more pieces of information. We would like to look at all 5 years of your income statements. This will allow us to see how much in raises that you have given and the overall health of your business from year to year. We will put together a vertical analysis, which is a method of financial statement analysis in which each line item is listed as a percentage of sales. Additionally, we would like to perform a horizontal analysis, also known as a trend analysis, which is a financial statement analysis technique that shows the changes in the amounts of corresponding financial statement items over a period of time. It is a useful tool to evaluate trends. These analyses will give us a better gauge of how your business compares to others in the industry. Moreover, we would like to look at the last 2 years of balance sheets. This will give us a better idea of what assets and liabilities you currently have and give us the accounts we need in order to compute a few ratios to give you a better idea of how your business is doing. Also, we would like to see your statement of cash flows from the previous year. This will allow us to see how your cash inflows and outflows compare to industry averages. Some of the ratios we would like to look at are the profit margin ratio, which compares profit to sales and tells you how well your company is handling its finances overall. It's sales minus all expenses divided by your revenue. Next, we will perform a working capital ratio, which will give us a better idea of your short-term debt paying ability. That'll be your current assets minus your current liabilities. Furthermore, we would like to compute your current and quick ratios. The current ratio will let us know your short-term debt paying ability without regard to the liquidity of current assets. That's your current assets divided by your current liabilities. Likewise, the quick ratio will let us know your short-term debt paying ability without having to rely on the sale of inventory. This is your cash plus marketable securities plus accounts receivable divided by your current liabilities. Now I'm going to pass it over to Trevor, and he's going to go over a few more things that he would like to see from me.
So there is some documentation we would like to get in order to perform some calculations to make sure that you are correctly following GAAP. One, we would like to get the bank loan documentation so that we can make sure the liability is present and correct, and that interest payable and interest expense reflects that you are accruing interest correctly. We would like to get purchase orders for your fixed assets so we can make sure that they are listed correctly and that depreciation expense and cumulative depreciation is also being calculated correctly. We also like to look at your internal controls. The reason we will want to look at your internal controls is that having good internal controls makes your business more effective and efficient and also minimizes the risk of fraud. If you have any documentation on your internal controls, we would like to look at it so we can review it. For inventory, we would like to know about your processes for purchasing inventory, your processes for when it's delivered, how it goes into storage and on the store shelves, and how you're doing counts of your inventory. For accounting, we would like to know what application you're using so we can check the controls of that application. We would like to know your check writing processes. We also like to know about your bank reconciliation process. How are they being done? We'd also like to get a current bank statement so that we can also do a bank reconciliation and compare it with yours. Thank you. Thank you for meeting with us. We believe that all of these things that we have requested will help us do a good analysis of your business and let you know what your strengths and what you can improve for the future. So thank you and have a wonderful day.